How to get free football item in Roblox Mobile. First of all, if you go to the App Store today, there should be a now available screen that looks a bit like this. What you want to do is click on that. This is the easiest way of doing it if you can go to the App Store, but you can do it in game. I'll show you how to do that later. But if you're just here, just go ahead and click the update button in any section. So you can go directly to the App Store, click on the Roblox app, make sure it's updated because you'll need the new update to do this. But once it has updated, what you want to do if you want to go directly there is go back on to the place where it says get a free backpack in Roblox. Then you want to click open on any of these sections here for the Berlin soccer backpack. Then right here you can see you'll be able to download it for free once you click the bottom button down there. Then click get when this pops up on the screen there. Or a simple way of doing this within the Roblox mobile app is just by going directly to accessories, then go to back. Then you'll be able to see the Berlin soccer backpack there, which you'll be able to click on and get within there. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.